Welcome to Phoenix Design Studio. The studio is founded and run by me, Khevna Mankodi. I have studied interior architecture from the reputed CEPT University. The studio started in Ahmedabad and now we are based in Bangalore. For more than 6 years, I have trained and benefited over 300 students across various fields. Autocad is amongst various software trainings we provide in Phoenix Design Studio. It is one of the highest used softwares across a variety of industries. Learning AutoCAD will not only give you the advantage in getting placements in the highly competitive market, but also will help you to grow your career faster. In fact, ઘણી બધી કંપનીઝમાં જોબ મેળવવા માટે AutoCAD આવડવું કમ્પલસરી હોય છે. Many big companies are hiring in the field of mechanical engineering like L&T, Siemens and many more. Or in the field of civil engineering, you can get placed at the companies like HCP, Amazon, Tata Projects, etc. Phoenix Design Studio માં અમે તમને ખાલી સોફ્ટવેર જ નથી શીખવતા, પરંતુ એ સોફ્ટવેરનું તમારા ફિલ્ડમાં પ્રેક્ટિકલ એપ્લિકેશન કઈ રીતે થાય છે તે પણ શીખવીએ છીએ. જેમ કે AutoCADનો યુઝ તમે મશીન ડિઝાઇન માટે કઈ રીતે કરી શકો છો, અથવા તો તમારી કંપની માટે વર્કિંગ ડ્રોઈંગ તમે AutoCADમાં કઈ રીતે બનાવી શકો છો. So register now to get advantage of learning one of the most dynamic softwares with Phoenix Design Studio. You'll get the details of what you are going to learn in the course from the brochure attached. You can choose from introductory, advanced or combo courses on the basis of your current knowledge of the course. So learn AutoCAD today for the endless opportunities tomorrow.